was always something that struck me about the first times that I came to the north. Was how completely different life was here to where I was living in Glasgow, which is just a short hop on a plane or a boat. It's only a few miles away, but the life that people were forced to live in here was completely different, and the song kind of explains that. The No Time for Love.
They call it the law. Call it internment, apartheid, partition, conscription and silence. It's a law that they use to keep you and me where they think we belong. They hide behind steel, bulletproof glass and machine guns and spies. And they tell us who suffer their tear gas and torture that we're in the wrong. Oh, there's no time for love if they come in the morning. No time to show tears or for fears in the morning. No time for goodbye, no time to ask why. When the sound of the siren is the cry of the morning. They suffered the torture, they rotted in cells and went crazy, wrote letters and died. And the limits of pain they endured, but loneliness got them instead. And the courts gave them justice as justice is given by well-mannered thugs. Sometimes they fought for the will to survive, and most times just wish they were dead. 'Cause there's no time for love if they come in the morning. No time to show tears or for fears in the morning. No time for goodbye, no time to ask why. When the sound of the siren is the cry of the morning. They took away young Francis Hughes and his cousin Thomas McElroy as well. Like became for Patsy O'Hara, Bobby Sands, and for some of their friends. And in New York and Glasgow, Saigon, Bogota, and Palestine and Belfast. And to the places that never make headlines, the list never ends. Well, there's no time for love if they come in the morning. No time to show tears or for fears in the morning. No time for goodbye, no time to ask why. When the sound of the siren is the cry of the morning. So come all you people, give to your sisters and brothers the will to fight on. They say you can get used to war. That doesn't mean that the war isn't on. 'Cause the fish need the sea to survive like your people need you. And the death squads can only get through to them if first they can get through to you. 'Cause there's no time for love if they come in the morning. No time to show tears or for fears in the morning. No time for goodbye, no time to ask why. When the sound of the siren is the cry of the morning. Oh, the sound of the siren, the sound of the siren. I